Hey guys, Jules here from Sprint Booster. Today we're going to do an install on a 2014 Dodge Ram 1500. As always, you're going to start by opening the driver's side door for at least 10 minutes. Be sure to carry away the key fob about 20 feet away. This allows the CAN bus system to reset. For this particular application, we do not have to remove the pedal assembly itself. The first step is to access the plug on the top. This particular application does have a sliding retention clip. Slide that clip out, press in, pull out. Now that the harness itself is removed, we're ready to install the Sprint Booster. Place the Sprint Booster unit in line with the harness and the pedal. Push in until it clicks. Next, install the selector switch. Reconnect the harness into the top of the Sprint Booster unit. That was the install of the Sprint Booster V3 on this 2014 Dodge Ram 1500. If you guys have any other questions or comments, please leave us a comment below. You can also reach us on sprintboosterusa.com.